What is up, guys? Welcome back. We are working on the white truck again today. Finally, we are going to get this gas tank strap on there. Then we're going to drive it to a disclosed location and we are going to empty it out. We're going to clean it out. So, let's get a cold start up on a 2004 Chevy Silverado. So we are going to put the gas tank strap on. It's not inspected, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to drive it, we're going to clean it out, we're going to empty all the trash out. Then we're going to go to the parts store. We're going to grab some clamps and some muffler stuff. We're going to get this exhaust back together. Alright guys, so we have finally got the gas tank strap back up. You look right there and right there. She's hanging under her own weight. And I said I was going to take this to the parts store, but I'm not, because I forgot I need to bleed the brakes on this, and I'm alone. So we're going to take that truck, and we'll get some exhaust stuff. So get this exhaust back on. So let's head there now. Alright guys, we got the parts, we got the tailpipe, we just got to cut this clamp off here and get the new parts put on. Alright, now that we have the tailpipe all hooked up and all ready to go, we have to lay under the truck. We have to cut the clamp off of the muffler, which is a thrush glass pack because it was 20 bucks, and we'll go from there. We'll just keep on keeping on. I made one heck of a mess under there. I'm gonna get under there, clean it up, and then we are gonna put this tailpipe on. Let's do this! been a while since we got on it, so. Still good. I mean, we only went a little bit. Alright guys, so I ordered the brakes, so now we're gonna go wash this pig. She is filthy. See all the black grime from sitting here for a while? We're gonna get all that off, all these leaves out. She's gonna be shining when we're done. So the first trick when you're washing, when it's cold outside, I mean it's like 45, but still not that warm. Bucket of warm water. Wipe this baby down, then your hands aren't freezing. But them out of there. All right. Alright, so here it is, the clean spot and the not so clean spots. So it did turn out a whole lot better, but I'm going to shut you guys off, finish this thing up, and here's another spot, you can notice it. And we'll get scrubbing here and we'll be back to the house. Alright guys, underneath all that dirt and film, she cleaned right up. She's shining like a diamond. Look at her. Obviously it's not perfect, it's 17 years old or 16 years old, whatever it is. But she's looking good now. Let's head back to the house. Alright guys, so we have cleaned up the garage. We pulled these two cars back in. And I'm gonna call that a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like squad, smash that like button. And just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.